Hola Amigos, welcome to Insights. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn your notifications on. If you've already been here and haven't yet subscribed, please do it right away and don't forget to press the bell icon so you're notified whenever we come up with more such insightful videos.
In this video, I'll be swatching all the shades of this palette along with a brief review of what I feel about it. This is an eyeshadow palette from Wet n Wild in the shade Comfort Zone. This palette is a new addition, or you can say a reformulated version to the original Comfort Zone, which was launched many years back. It has 10 shades in it, and the palette do not have any mirror or doesn't come with any brush as well. It's very compact in size and it's travel friendly as well. At the back it has a quick guide about all its shades, which gives us some clarity about where a particular shade can be used. It has two transitional shades, one at the extreme top and other at the extreme bottom, and the rest are all shimmer shades. Now let's jump into those swatches.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. Every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forget, and you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no. You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real.
Of all the swatches, I feel Comfort Zone palette is extremely versatile. You can go on to create looks from neutral to bold. I love the concept about this palette, and I'm freaking obsessed with this right now.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't, do let me know in the comment section below. I'd appreciate any feedbacks and inputs, and I'll try my best to use them in my upcoming videos. Until next time, take care. Auf Wiedersehen. Wassalama.